Working on a 2003 Saab 9.3 convertible. Had the no start issue where the car didn't want to start. I ran down the troubleshooting. I had my dad look over the wire diagrams, and what he figured out, and came to the conclusion that we can jump it and bypass it and go direct to the starter if we remove this relay here. So we remove this relay out. We put the car in ignition on position, and then you want to use a decent gauge wire. This is something he made for me to use and troubleshoot. And then we go here, and we're going to jump. You can tell you want to jump the two big wires in the back. On this vehicle, those are the two big wires on the left and the right, which would be this pin and this pin. Now you want to put one in. Let me get this. My camera skills with one hand is not the greatest. You put one in there, and the other one you leave out. You just want to touch it, and once the starter turns and activates, you want to take it out. You don't want to leave the wire in. So, hold on one second. Let me get back in here. My battery might have died on me, but basically, just go here, and the car starts, and take the wire out. And that'll tell you if the relay's bad. Obviously, if you have another relay, you can put it in, but that'll get your car started. The problem I had was the car wasn't starting. It was giving me intermittent starting. It was intermittent starting, and then it went dead flat where it didn't want to start at all. We jumped it, and now my intermittent starting problem has gone away. I'm not sure if it's gone for good, but this will at least give you troubleshooting. As long as your immobilizer is not active, your vehicle should turn on. Hope this helps somebody, because while we were trying to figure it out, there was no videos on it. So I figured I'd post a primitive video and hope it helps somebody else.